Hello and welcome to everyone. Today I will talk about a DIY home fertilizers. You don't have to buy expensive fertilizers. Your garden will thrive. These DIY versions made from items around your pantry and backyard. Organic gardening is as popular as ever, and the method we use play a critical role in our health and health of the planet. There are many different all natural fertilizers that you can use in your garden or with potting soil. Some of these fertilizers can be made or collected at home using common items from your pantry or your backyard. Here are 8 of our favorite DIY fertilizer for a variety of needs. Grass clippings. If you have an organic lawn, make sure to collect your grass clippings to use on your gardens. Half an inch to an inch of grass clippings makes a great weed blocking mulch, and it is also rich in nitrogen, which is an essential nutrient for most plants. Weeds. Just like grass clippings, many of the weeds that you will find in your gardens are very high in nitrogen and will make an excellent fertilizer. The problem is, once you have pulled the weeds, you certainly won't want to put them back in the garden because any seed will sprout and make new weeds. The solution: make wheat tea. To do this, fill a 5-gallon bucket no more than 1/4 full with weeds that you have pulled. Then fill the bucket the rest of the way with water and let the wheat soak for a week or two. Once the water turns nice and brown like tea, pour this wheat tea on your gardens. Kitchen scraps. Yes, put your kitchen and garden waste to work by making your own compost. Compost releases nutrients slowly, which means a well composted garden can go a year or two without requiring reapplication of fertilizer. Compost also helps the soil retain moisture, which is essential for vegetable gardens to thrive during hot, dry summers. Manure. Manure comes from a variety of sources: cows, horses, chickens, and even bats. Each type of manure is high in nitrogen and other nutrients, but you will need to use it carefully. Raw manure is highly acidic and may actually have more nutrients than your plant needs, so too much can burn your plants. It's best to use composted manure since it is less nutrient dense and acidic. You can use more of it to improve your soil's water retention without risking your plants. You won't have to wait long. Manure quickly returns to a perfect odor free soil amendment. Tree leaves. Bagging up the fall leaves and putting them out on your curbs. Collect them for your garden instead. Leaves are rich with trace minerals. They attract earthworms, they retain moisture, and they will help make heavy soils lighter. You can use leaf in two ways: either till them into your soil or mix crushed leaves into potting soil, or using them as mulch to both fertilize your plants and keep weeds down. Coffee grounds. Coffee grounds some with a lot of uses, but one of their best is as fertilizer. Lots of plants such as blueberries, roses, and tomatoes thrive best in acidic soil. Recycle your coffee grounds to help acidify your soil. There are a couple of ways to do this. You can either top dress by sprinkling the used ground over the surface of the soil, or you can make coffee to pour on your gardens. Soak up to 6 cups of used coffee grounds for up to a week to make garden coffee. Then use it to water your acid loving plants. Eggshells. If you have ever used lime on your garden, then you know it comes with lots of benefits. It helps lower the acidity of your soil for plants that don't like acid, and it provides plant with lot of calcium, which is an essential nutrient. Lime itself is an all natural fertilizer that you can buy at the garden center, but if you don't rather save some money, there is a cheaper way to get the same benefit. Simply wash out the eggshells from your kitchen, save them, and crush them to use in your garden. It turns out the eggshells are 93% calcium carbonate, which is the scientific name for lime. Banana peels. We eat bananas for their potassium, and roses love potassium too. Simply bury peels in a hole alongside the rose bush so they can compost naturally. As the rose grows, bury the peels into the soil's top layer. Both of these approaches will provide much needed potassium for the plant's proper growth. No matter what you are growing, one or more of these fertilizers will make your garden thrive. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Allah Hafiz.